Myself Nikki Bharadwaj, and I am working with Honda Motorcycle and Scooter India Private Limited from last 13 years. So today I am sharing my SAP SF weekly review with my CIO. So I am presenting my weekly status which I am handling on daily basis. So in the next slide, here this is the slide for current status of IR issues like which we have received after go live and implementation. So total we have received total number of points 28, in which we have closed 12 and still open is 16 point. And now we have segregated 28 points in different segments like which has been go live, under discussion, under UAT, under go live and under planned and under development and partially go live. So here is the 28 point, and again 28 point we have segregated in different partner who is looking in that issue, who is looking into the point. Like 20 issue is one partner looking here, and SAP India is looking 4 point, and TTL is looking for 2 point, and 1 point is pending on our end and 1 point is user end. So total 28 point is there. In the next slide, so in this slide we are actually I am trying to show this like in detail, which we have 20 points we have taken. So in 20 points, so in first slide we are showing here 28 issues. In this slide 10 issue is there, in another slide 10 issue is there. So in first slide like some has been closed and some is under go live. So in the next slide, this is all are pending, like first is under go live, and second one is planned on June and July, and third one is related to already released for UAT, and fourth one is under development, and fifth one is under development, and next under discussion, and means I have mentioned in detail with go live date, status and remark also. So in the next slide, which is pending from on SAP India, here I have mentioned like process wise we have segregated it, and action item means SAP India which action item means they have taken for this issue, for these issues. So I have mentioned with the target date along with the status and remarks also. And in the next slide we have shown means TTL already working on the same and already closed from their end. And in the next slide, two issues are from IT and IR team, and this is one is the under discussion and second one is under UAT. And next slide, this is HANA project status. Actually this is the project which is globally and we can say company level project, and company already spent over this project only not only 12 crore. So I am the part of this project. So in this slide, I have mentioned plan month wise month status, means we have already covered May to Feb and we are on month. So we are planning to give the presentation to our management like J0 and J1. In this J0 means J0 and J1 is that we want to present our CIO and at director level, means how the project in which state and what we will be delivered and what should be taken next step so far. So this is the main agenda. And so in this month, even in the last month, we have delivered so many activities. So I have mentioned PIC wise, plan state, plan completion and actual start and actual completion along with the status. So and kickoff and J0 already scheduled, and PPT is going on. So this is from my side. Yeah, thank you so much.